In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up your Toyota Camry key fob and replace the internal battery at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. You can get one of these online. I will put a link down in the description here on YouTube to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And it'll come right to your doorstep. You don't need to go shopping around or anything. So if you are interested, check that out, and then let's just get started. Here, look up on the where the key ring attaches here, and you can see there's this little slot in the plastic. We want to take a flathead screwdriver and insert it into that slot and twist to open it up. But make sure this back side is facing up while you do it. You do not want these buttons facing up, backside, Toyota symbol facing up. So make sure you orient it correctly and then look to the little slot here on the side. Insert the flathead screwdriver in and just twist. Just turn it like that and then gently remove this back piece of plastic. You can pick up this little box inside, and under this little rubber mat are all these little plastic buttons that can fall out. If I was holding it like this and I opened it, it might all come falling out, and it's kind of annoying to put back in. So just set this to the side carefully, and now we can come over here and work on this part. So if you look, there's some little instructions here. There's an arrow pointing to this spot here, and it says use coin to open. We're going to use the same flathead screwdriver, but coming in on that spot between the black plastic and this clear plastic, there's another little indentation. Could also use a coin, whatever you prefer. And we're just going in that area and again, twisting until we can pull it apart with our fingers. Whoa. If you drop yours, just gonna put the little rubber component back in there. And now up at the top here, you can see there's a little opening. See this little hole here, or this one. We're just going to put the corner of our flathead screwdriver in there and just gently get under the battery and kind of pry it out. Again, this is a CR 2016 battery, and if you don't know where to get that, go check out the description. And when you're putting your new battery in there, make sure this positive side with the text and the little plus sign is face up. So when you click this back into place, you want to see that facing up. And that's pretty much it. We can just now put everything back together. I'm just going to click this on top, make sure it's secure, carefully lift this up, and just position this, push it down, and finally click the back piece of plastic back on there. And now you can test this out by pushing the button, and you should see that red light coming on. That means your battery is charged, and it is. You followed all the steps correctly, and you're pretty much done. So good job with that one. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we will show you how to change the battery at fobbattery.com, or just check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube. So thank you for watching.